In this video, I'm going to show you how to see website traffic on GoDaddy in a quick and simple way. If you're running a website and want to understand how many people are visiting, where they're coming from, and how your site is performing overall, this walkthrough will help. It's a useful skill for business owners, bloggers, and anyone using GoDaddy's website tools. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the website you want to check, because your traffic data will only appear inside the correct dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products option. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, websites, and services in one place. Click My Products to continue. Next, find the section labeled Websites Plus Marketing. If you're using GoDaddy's website builder, this is the area where your site management tools are stored. Under that section, click Manage. This will open the main controls for your website. After that, you should see the Dashboard option. Click Dashboard to get into the overview page for your site. This dashboard is where GoDaddy shows important performance information, including traffic and visitor insights. Now look for a section labeled Analytics or Insights. Depending on your account and website setup, GoDaddy may use one of these names for the traffic reporting area. This section is what you want if you're trying to see visitor activity, page performance, and basic site trends. Once you find it, click View Details. That will open more detailed traffic information so you can review how your website is doing. From there, you may be able to see things like visitor counts, engagement data, and other helpful analytics that give you a better picture of your website's reach. If you're checking traffic regularly, this is a great place to monitor progress after publishing new content, running promotions, or making website updates. And if you don't see the analytics right away, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct website dashboard and that you've opened the right GoDaddy product. Sometimes the layout can vary slightly depending on the site type or account settings. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to see website traffic on GoDaddy using the built-in dashboard and analytics tools. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.